Let's begin by reading through the problem. A two-piece set of luggage costs $135. If sold individually, the larger bag costs $25 more than the smaller bag. What are the individual costs for each bag? Be sure to find both answers. To start this problem, we're going to set up a chart for the expressions for the larger bag and the smaller bag. One of these expressions should be simply x. Let's read through the problem to determine which expression will be x. If sold individually, the larger bag costs $25 more than the smaller bag. I know more about the larger bag than I do the smaller bag, so I'm going to call the smaller bag x. I know from what it tells me in the problem that the larger bag costs $25 more than the smaller bag. More than means addition. So the larger bag is the cost of the smaller bag, x, plus 25. Now that I have two expressions for each piece of luggage, I need to determine what to do with them. I know that the total cost of the luggage is $135. That means if I add the larger to the smaller, my total is 135. The larger is x plus 25, added to the smaller, which is x. So my equation is x plus 25 plus x equals 135. Next, combine like terms. X plus x is 2x, plus 25 equals 135. This is now a two-step equation for us to solve. The first step in solving this two-step equation is to subtract 25 from both sides, leaving me with 2x equals 110. The very last step is to divide both sides by 2 to get my x alone. This leaves me with x equals 55. Let's interpret this then in terms of the problem. This means that the smaller piece of luggage is $55. Don't forget the dollar label. The larger piece is the 55 plus 25. 55 plus 25 is 80. So the larger piece of luggage costs $80. So my solution to this problem is that the larger piece of luggage costs $80 and the smaller piece of luggage costs $55. To quickly check to make sure your answer makes sense, simply add 80 plus 55, which gives me 135, which was the original cost of both pieces.